Yeah, hi Ali.
Hi.
Thanks for accepting my invitation and accepting to be on my show.
Okay. You're welcome.
So, can you please introduce yourself to my audience?
Yeah. My name is Eliasgar Bohra. Recently, I have completed my education. Now I work as a freelancer, and also I do part-time business in my means I am involved in my family business part-time. But I do freelance projects of that programming, server-side languages like PHP, JavaScript, and also I host many websites. Recently, I am working on a project of taxi dispatch like Zoom or Uber. And
Okay.
also I and also I'm doing AWS. Means right now I am exploring it. I know how to, I know some of the features of how to use AWS, but right now also I'm exploring the all the features of AWS.
You're
So
getting
thank you for
trained or
inviting me.
yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Are you getting trained or you yourself learning the services?
right now also I am learning.
I mean, you are learning for yourself.
Yes, I'm learning for myself. I
Okay.
work
So,
freelance because actually it's my passion. uh, because I don't need much to work for my expenses. I am involved in my family business, and it is quite good. But also I like to do it for myself. I like to do. I like to learn about AWS and such technical stuff.
awesome, man. So, what you are going to tell to my audience today about AWS?
I I will be explaining you about how in future AWS will overcome all the cloud hosting websites. Means what revolutionary actions are there? Means what revolutionary technology have
Changes.
been introduced by AWS. Means how it will
Wow.
be revolutionary and it will overcome the future of cloud computing.
Wow. This is your observation.
Yes. Means
Awesome.
I used to that CloudTrail and that Google Cloud Computing, but I think AWS is more good than is more better than that the two CloudTrail and that. So that's why I always prefer AWS. It's costly, but it's good. It's better than the other options available on internet globally.
Okay. So I'm new to AWS, so I have to learn from you. So
Yes.
you have to tell that now. Yeah.
So I will be taking you to my console.
Okay.
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 Are you able to see?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Yeah. It is my security key for launching any instance or make a machine. Means for hosting anything on internet like a website or something. You need to first make a key. This is my key.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where should we should make this key?
Hmm?
Where should we create this key?
Here. I'm showing you.
Okay, key pairs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
If, right now I have made my key. If you have to make a key, click here, create a key pair.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I can use 50 more text. You can see here. It is written. I can make
Yeah. Yeah.
50
Yeah.
more. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And also to launch an instance, you have to make a security pair.
Okay.
I have my own security groups. You have to make a security group.
Okay.
This is my VPC ID. And this is a description of my short description. Okay. You
Okay.
for every new key you have to make a new security group. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, I have AMI. I have made many AMIs for disposable users. So you can
Okay.
take a quick look. If you want to record it, you can also record it. Okay.
Yeah. It's recording. So, are these AMIs are customized?
Yeah. Yes, customized. It is made by me, but I have also given a short-term access to those for whom I had made them. I
Okay.
also
Okay.
given yeah I had also given them access for using. And after their use, they finished. They I used to delete that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Everything is very easy and shortcut in this AWS. So I like it. I like it. I like it. That's why.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you said about creating a key pair.
Yeah. Means everything is very easy and very straightforward. You don't have means there are no special keywords used. Nothing special. Just thing is that you should go through the quick guide. Here it will be a quick guide. I'm showing you. 1 minute. Quick guide. There is also amazing feature of blockchain of AWS.
What is blockchain?
Yes,
What is blockchain?
blockchain network means
Okay.
yeah. You can see how it works. Actually, it is for using high speed means data networks like that shopping sites in India. It is very popular, Mintra and
Yeah.
Amazon,
Yeah. Yeah. Flipkart.
Amazon.in. So this type of website use the big networks. For them, it is means very useful. This feature here you can see
Blockchain.
how it is useful. Okay.
Okay.
This is the feature according to your price means how you should use it means which feature will cost how much to you. Okay, here you can
Yeah.
see every feature has its own guide in AWS. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
if you also want to do certification on Amazon, you can also do certification also on that. Everything
Okay.
means
Okay.
whatever information you want to gain from it, you can gain from here. The learn feature. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
See, I work on this language and this one.
JavaScript and Python.
No,
PHP. .NET.
yeah. Not .NET,
Okay.
not .NET. There's a PHP and this JavaScript.
Okay. You're learning
Also,
it or you learned it?
yeah,
You're learning it or you learned it?
I learned that, but right now I'm learning Amazon AWS. Means I am exploring more of its content. Means it's very vast. Means it's a very huge. Means it's very huge. I think if I would have started it now, then it would took me approximately 2 or 3 years to learn. Means to hold, means how to practice it, means what all experiment I can do. Since I am using AWS since 1 year, and right now also I have covered its only 45% part.
Okay, from 1 year only you have covered 45%.
Yeah, like only EC2 and S3 bucket. I'm firm in these two only, but also I'm means very much. You can also learn from here. See, I use this zone. Okay,
Not
USC,
Virginia.
North Virginia, and Ohio. Yeah,
Okay.
more often I use Ohio.
Okay.
Ohio. Yeah, I get very good network from that. Yes. Last time before 3 to 4 months, I had one project and I used this one, Mumbai.
Okay.
Means these server zones. Okay.
Okay.
And what I was telling you that about S3 bucket, no?
Yeah.
You know robotics?
Yeah, I have idea about it.
This feature is in actually development stage, but very soon it will be available for developers use here. Right now they are
Okay.
giving only explanation. Yeah, but very soon. I think uh, in this month in December we will get it to use.
The purpose of this,
Hmm?
the purpose of this,
Robotics. Actually, I don't know much about robotics, but I think it is for robotics engineering. 1 minute. Actually, it is designed for the people learning Internet of Things (IoT).
okay.
Yeah. Here you can see the whole information about Amazon S3. It is very easy to use, and you can delete also. Means it is like a borrowing service like EC2. S3 is also
Okay.
like means if you will use it in the time limit, then you can also delete the information, and no charge will be deducted for that. Like it
Okay.
happens in EC2. Yes.
It is a free service.
Yeah, it is a free service. Free service. Free service till something 40 hour for 400 hours.
Okay.
This is very useful. It is for means high capacity data. Means like your videos, photos in good quality. You can use S3 Glacier. Yes.
Okay.
S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Amazon claims that this data. in means if it is used in Glacier, it can protect your data till from it can protect your data till 200 years.
200 years.
Yeah, for 200 years
Okay.
it will protect your data. They claim it in that
Okay.
S3 Glacier
Okay.
the partner who
These
these
companies
companies
are the
have given.
partners.
Yeah, no, these companies have given data to AWS for archive.
Okay.
You know Nasdaq?
No.
Cisco also.
I know Cisco.
Nielsen,
No.
his company shares 30 petabytes of data in AWS.
Okay.
Means for using means it's very vast and very means very awesome means this is a very good opportunity for all the developers to use Amazon S3 bucket and that Amazon Web Services. It requires much knowledge and much experience for using this. It's very vast and it is very futuristic.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
liked it. So liked it.
Yeah, it's very good, man.
Well, actually, right now also I am learning from AWS. It means it is very good and it very vast. It's very vast. Means some features are so close that it is very useful for data scientists, and who are doing machine learning, and also for Python and people who are working on Ruby.
Okay. So EC2, how much time you took to understand it?
Uh, it took me 3 months.
3 months to understand it completely.
Yeah, 3 months.
Okay. What are the things that will be there in EC2?
What are the things? Firstly, there is a means they make a software like a computer. You know, for example, it is a mobile. In mobile, how much means storage you want, how much RAM you want to run a machine. So like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Means
Like that
all the
they'll.
configurations you have to select. All the configurations you have to select, like how much RAM you want, how much ROM you want, which processor you want, AMD or Intel. It has a means it also has dummy processors in the
Okay.
embedded for cloud computing, cloud servers.
Okay.
Yeah,
So which means we are creating a virtual
virtual
machine
machine,
computer.
virtual machine.
Virtual computer.
Yes, you can create a whole virtual computer, whole virtual device according to your use. You can create up to a computer, a fully functioning computer with 8 GB RAM, i10 processor, and 1 TB of and 1 TB of storage. It depends on your use. Cause it is also costly. It is no doubt it is costly, but you can use. Means features are provided like that only in that.
So what is the use of EC2?
The use of EC2.
Yeah.
Firstly, it is made for virtual computing. Like nowadays it is not very easy to install all the systems and everything. Means to means a firm which is doing business online, it will be very difficult for them to arrange that much machines, everything. Means
Yeah.
CPU devices. So Amazon provides that opportunity. Means you can just use your phone also, and you can also do in that also.
I mean, Already the computers are there, right? So why virtual computers? Why they created EC2 instance? Why they call it as EC2 instances?
already.
Yeah.
See, one thing is that computers are there, but very few means firms who use a EC2 instance is is used mainly means what was the purpose? The purpose was that to host something online, like if we are making a website or web-based application, if it is Android or it is made in Python or for Windows, it should be hosted online and used for everyone. Means
Okay.
if you are making, you have made the instance for use for multi use, and you have a space of a room. So you will, what you will do, will you make will you only install machines, or you will keep the, you will keep your goods or something else in the room? What? So it
Yeah.
is providing a good, means a good storage, everything, everything online. Just the need is that you need a strong connection,
Okay.
a strong net connection. Yeah.
It is creating a virtual environment.
Yeah, virtual environment.
Okay. So how many machines we can create?
No limit. You can make 100 machines, 200 machines. You can link them also. You can link four
Okay.
machines at a time, five machines at a time. But all comes in a cost clusters. They do not guarantee that it will work at 100% efficiency. They are means they are doing, they are investing their 100% efforts for that. But right now also they say that 99.999% efficiency will provide you for the machines, virtual machines. Right now also actually Amazon is improving its quality day by day. What were the conditions a year back? Right now they are not existing. Many upgrades are introduced by Amazon. So it is a good, means it is a unique idea by Amazon.
So I'm the business owner. I came to EC2 and I created an instance, means a virtual computer, a virtual machine, and I created 10 machines like that. And I want to give, I have employees who are working under me, and I want to give access to them, my machines. So how to do that?
If you want to do that, first you go to Amazon, consult means AWS engineer. He will then make machines. He will according to use, to your use, he will make one machine. If server is failing on one machine, he will make another machine to get to get your request on another machine. Means if you want to divide, like if you want to do 1 TB of storage in two devices, then he will make a device of 512 GB, 512 GB, two devices he will make, and he will link both the
Okay,
devices if you don't want
okay,
server failure. And if you want to manage one type of data, only unique data, then he will only make one machine with 1 TB capacity. So distribution or using one device, you can do both efficiently.
okay. So we can install the software on the machines.
No, 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 not needed, because every software right now, from DOS to Windows 10, every software, every OS is provided by Every every software provided by AWS. You can see, you can explore
Which means you're talking about OS, operating system.
all the operating system. If, and also if apart that you want to install software also, you will get the features of software also in that. Which software you want?
Okay,
Like if you want Virtual Studio, you will get Virtual Studio. If you want Adobe, you can also get Adobe, everything.
okay. So these are operating systems,
If you
right?
are not
Which are
getting
called
that,
as AMI.
then you
Yeah.
simply need to create a machine. You will create a machine. You will get an access ID and password. You can log in that machine into AWS and start on your own server, and then you can install like you install in your computer or PC. But
Okay.
the yeah, but there is some conditions for using Windows OS. You have to use PC, okay, and for
Okay.
using iOS of Apple, you have to
Okay.
use MacBook. If you want to use that ser- server devices, you have to
This is
use the
very
same
important point.
same configuration.
Yeah.
Yeah, same OS you have to use. Same OS. If you are making Android, then you have to use an Android device.
So which means I have a Windows, HP laptop and a Windows operating system in it, and I want to access
you can
my.
you can means there is no limit. You can use one, you can use 100 or 50 at a time. But the thing is
Okay.
that your system should be compatible. The network should be compatible for you. All
Okay.
the RAM will be virtual, everything will be virtual, but your that system of internet should be very sound and very good to go to compatible with the device.
So what you learned in EC2? You said you learned it. You took it 3 months. So what is that vast? I
Make a
mean, is
machine
that
means
larger?
I learned it in 10 to 15 days only, but to make it firm means I used to do practice. I practiced for 2 months in AWS, so I became firm in that too, and right now I'm working in that features.
Okay. The second one that you said is S3
Yeah,
that you
S3 bucket.
already shown me. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. And
it's actually a vault.
yeah. And the third service that you said Route
Route
53.
53. Yeah. Route 53 is like key pairs. Route 53 is for connecting your devices. If you want to connect your device with the another one, you have to use the keys. Keys like Route 53. One key, the security pair is different and key is different. In Route 53, you have to make another key to connect your devices. Means one principal device and another that children devices. One principal parent device and another subsidiary devices like
So
admin panel and
while creating an instance, we give the name for the instance,
yes, you give.
right?
And also you
So
can give them and also you can make a admin machine, and after that you can make many subsidiary machines according to your use.
we
And
we
route
do this in Route
53 joins
53.
all that by networks, like
Okay.
how the concept of an how networking goes on, like that it will go.
So we do this admin and the children, all this in Route 53.
Yeah, everything means make one admin device and you can connect that all from subsidiary devices, all subsidiary devices.
Okay.
Yes,
So we have to create a machine in a particular region, in particular
yes, yes, yes,
availability zone.
yes, you have to, yeah, you have to make a machine particular region. I often use Ohio, but you can use according to your use. In Ohio and East Virginia, the network is very strong. Ohio and East Virginia.
Because you live in India, that is why the
No,
reason you are
you can
saying
use
that.
no geolocation restriction. You can use
Okay.
OEO, North Virginia. If you want to use Asia Pacific network, you can also use Asia Pacific networks also, like Singapore, Malaysia. And if you want to use European regions also, you can use Oslo.
Can we move
No,
machine from one region to other region?
hmm?
Can we move machine from one region to other region?
uh, you can no in no, no it is not like that. You can yeah, you can move. You can move.
Ma-
You
Machine.
have to set, when you log in, you have to change that location. It is not like that if we are making one device in one location, it will not work in another location. It will work in all the locations. The thing is that why I use this too, because firstly, if any update occurs in AWS, if any update occurs in AWS, then first they, on a trial basis, they upload there in
Okay.
these two regions, and after that it is uploaded in all the regions when it is okay. Means every new service you can use, every new and recent service you can use very first. And also if they delete it, then it will and also if they delete it, means after uploading the delete the service, you can have the experience of that. Cause that what caused it to delete, means you can also explore the that AWS networks.
So to create a EC2 instance, we are using the hardware resources of that particular data center, right?
No, no, yes.
Right.
To create a EC2 instance, EC2 instance, all the services and all the criteria is available in AWS. You have to just sign in, and you can create in that one. Yeah, it is not so compulsory that you have to create it in PC only, or PC only or Android only. For creation, it is not a big deal. But for using it, you have to use PC or Android. Which one you are creating? Like if you are using it in Linux, you have to use a Linux based operating system. And Linux you can use, that I think you have much information that Linux can be used in Android device or PC. You can use Linux and everything.
Is it important for an engineer to know Linux to understand the services, to manage the services?
It is very important. AWS, first you have to go through the services, you have to practice it, and then you can use it.
Okay, so it is very important to understand Linux to
because
understand the
because
service.
everything is costly in it. Everything is costly in it. Means right now also I have some free services available for me. Means I don't use very often, but right now also I am in free quota. I use everything freely. Means I created the account back in 2019, and right now also I am working on it. I am earning from it, but nothing I have paid to AWS for that.
You're
Means you
earning
should know
from
how
it.
to use it, how to use it in your free hours criteria. You should. So that's why for that you need very much practice. At least if you are not knowing whole the service of AWS, you should you should at least know about one service. Cause uh, if you are using an EC2 instance or machine, if you have started it and you forgot to shut it down, it will make a huge bill for you.
Okay.
Yeah. If like the bill will be approx $100, hundred
$100.
to
Okay.
dollars, $1,000 also. Some people get bill of EC2 instance for using EC2 instance.
Okay.
The services are costly, but it is a very good if you learn it.
Okay. What are the core services?
Core service, the service
Yeah.
which is right now okay, means right now it is working very efficiently, is EC2 instance. EC2 instance is very good. You can also explore another services like blockchain, their SQL, means Amazon SQL, Lambda. There are many things you can use, but I am using EC2, so that's why I feel EC2 is very efficient to use.
Okay.
Yes.
So S3, you know S3 completely?
S3 bucket we can use. S3 bucket is also good, but if you want to keep files for a moment or for some time, you can use it. But after the finish, after the we are finished free hour quota finishes, it begins to charge. If you are a company owner, that it is then it is not a big deal to keep it. But if you are using it your own personal service, for your own personal use, you can you have to use it wisely. I recommend you to
Okay.
use it wisely, that S3 bucket service, if you are using for your own personal use. If you are using commercial use, no problem. The billing is
Okay.
no, I mean, not so costly.
Okay. So to understand EC2, how much time it takes for a beginner?
To understand EC2, it takes 10 to 12 days. 10 to
Okay.
12 days. First, you need to know the introduction, how to make key pairs, how to make security groups, the basic things, and after that you can use EC2.
Okay.
And you
And
should be a
S3?
developer to use a EC2. You should be a developer, because you can't use EC2 if you have least knowledge about programming and everything. You should be a
Programming
developer.
means which programming language?
Yeah, simple programming languages. Like if you also know C, C++ also, then it's okay. You can use EC2. You should know
Okay.
the main logics, algorithms, and every science behind it.
Okay. So there are special certification courses, right?
Yeah,
Security, for security and
yeah, you
all.
can you can explore on AWS. There are many courses also listed there. And if you are certified in that, I am also preparing for one. And if you are certified in that, you can
Okay.
use it very efficiently and you can get a good pay job. Means you can get a good pay in companies if you are certified from AWS. Actually I learned from YouTube and on my own. Actually, I learned.
Okay. Okay. So do you have information about other services,
No, not much.
databases?
Databases, I don't oftenly use that data services. I use only EC2. So I that's why I only explored you the services which I know.
Okay.
So then we can do a deep discussion on that.
Okay. So at last, do you have anything to say about EC2 and S3 that you know?
EC2 and S3 issue the for many substitutes are available in market for that to use it freely. But the quality, if you talk about quality is provided by Amazon. Means it's very unique. AC2 provides much more, means very feasibility, means it is very feasible, it's very, means very easy it is to use, means it's very comfortable. Despite it being costly, it provides all the services. You have to nothing, you have to invest in that if you are using EC2 instance for hosting or something. Or if you want to use S3 for security, means if you want to hide some data or something, you can use S3. S3 is very good option, despite it is costly from the market prices, but it is very helpful.
Okay, okay. I got you, Ali. So thank you, man. Thank you very much for giving some valuable information and uh, some great things about AWS.
So thank you for inviting me. It was a pleasure to discuss with you.
So at last, have you seen any videos of mine on YouTube?
Uh, no, actually, I am knowing you since 2 3 days only, when I shared my views with you for that AWS and everything discussed. So I don't know much, but surely I will do subscribe your channel, and I will watch some of your videos since I don't get time more often, but I will watch your videos. It is very nice. It was very nice to interact with you. And also same, I think you have also much knowledge about the field in AWS. So thank you once again. And
Yeah. Can I? Yeah.
So can you click one photo means can I take a screenshot of yours and mine?
Yeah, I can't see your face. Your video is paused. I can hear you,
Yes.
but I can't see your video.
Right now you can see.
No, once I switch off and switch on
Okay.
the video. Yeah, now I can see.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
you took it.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
I do.
and yeah, thanks, man, Ali,
Thanks,
for
man.
giving me
And
your valuable
and
time.
also I
And
want you to that you also upload more about AWS means your experience is very valuable for me. I also means I've seen 2 3 your videos. The people you interact with was nice. It is very appreciable, man. You work really nice. So thank you.
can I put this video on my YouTube channel and social media on
Yeah,
internet
yeah,
and
yeah.
my
Sure, sure,
podcast everywhere with your
sure,
permission?
sure. And also DM me your that you use LinkedIn.
Yeah, I use LinkedIn. Yeah,
Yeah, please DM me your profile. Okay,
yeah, I will send you my complete
I will
profile.
send you a connection request. Okay,
Yeah,
so
definitely. Yeah,
so
thanks,
peace
man.
out.
Yeah, take care.